Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the high limit thermostat in your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the thermostat has failed, causing your dryer not to get any heat, or it will start and just stop shortly after running. For this repair, we'll be using our short screwdriver and a regular size screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our dryer that we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind your dryer might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So I'll be using a Phillips head screwdriver, and it's our little short stubby guy because we're dealing with an awkward angle and not a lot of space. Now that we've got those screws off, we can tilt the front panel forward and those clips will come right out. And now we're going to carefully set this down. We've still got wires connecting the front bulkhead. So now all we're going to do is just unplug these two wires here. And we can set this bulkhead off to the side. So way back here is our high limit thermostat. Now we don't have to take anything out to get to it. If you want to remove the drum or anything to make it easier for yourself, by all means go ahead and do that. But for our purposes, we're just going to leave it in there because I can reach back in there and unscrew everything. So the first thing we're going to do is just remove these wires that are attached here. Purple on top and the red on the bottom. And just pull it straight off. There we go. Now I'll use our 1/4 inch nut driver to unscrew the screws. And that came right off. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement high limit thermostat, and if you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So now we're going to put our new high limit thermostat in there. And we're going to line up with that other screw that's still there. And I've just got to hold it in place while I screw it down. And once we've got that tightened enough, we can get the other screw in there. Just adjust that and make sure the holes line up. And we'll screw the other one down. And now we can plug our wires back in here. And now we can hook the wires back up. So we're just going to make sure that we've got the wires in the same arrangement that they were before. Yellow goes on this side, and the blue one goes on this side. Okay. Now go back to the front. And now we're going to want to put the front panel back in place. To do that, we're going to just do the opposite of what we did to take it off. We're going to pick it up and angle it a bit and just tilt it back until you hear both of those clips snap into place. Then you should be able to close it up. And now we can screw the bottom back in. So you're just going to want to make sure your panel is pushed in all the way. And once you do that, you should be able to get your screw started in the hole. There we go. And now we can just screw it back in. There we go. And once that's screwed in, you can plug everything else back in and your repair is complete. Now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.